Hello everyone, are you worried about transferring files to PC? Let's see how to connect and transfer files from mobile to PC. If you have same network in both devices, that means you have home Wi-Fi. Open any browser in your PC and go to the website. And download SHAREit for your Windows PC. When the download is completed, open the package and install it. After installing, launch SHAREit. Open SHAREit on your phone and go to Connect PC function. Now scan the QR code showing on your PC. Your PC SHAREit may ask for a confirmation. Accept it. Two devices are now connected. Now, select any file from your phone and click Send. And the transfer will start rapidly. What if you don't have same network on both of your devices? That means you don't have home Wi-Fi. Open SHAREit on your phone and go to Connect PC function. Click on the Connect Manually button from the bottom of the scanner page. You will get details of a hotspot created by your phone. Now, on your PC, connect to that hotspot created by your phone. After connecting to the hotspot on your PC, open a browser and go to the web address showing on your phone. Connection will be established and you can start transferring files rapidly. Enjoy the fastest file transfer ever. SHAREit, share faster, share smarter.